In this short video, I'm going to show you how to add a sales notification to your Wix website. Unfortunately, since this functionality is not available through Wix itself, we are going to have to make use of a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. So the first thing I want you to do is to go ahead and click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the elfsites.com website. This is the page that you'll be taken once you click the link. From here, head over to the top of the page, which is where you'll find the widgets button right here. Simply hover over it, and then I want you to go all the way down to e-commerce right here, and then near the bottom you will see sales notification right here. Click on that, and then I want you to click on create widget for free right here. Then that's going to take you to the sales notification template section, which is where you can choose what you want your sales notification to look like. As you can see down here, you get a little preview of what it looks like, or what's going to look like on your Wix website. Don't worry about the actual design or the content of it. This is something that we can change, and I'm going to show you how in just a second. So go ahead and just pick the one that you think is most suitable for your website. So I'm going to go for the standard clothing store sales notification right here, and then click on continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. Then here you can add the different variants of the notification. So because you don't want it to display the same thing over and over again, here you can add different notifications so they can pop up at random. So even if the same person visits your website 10 times, they're going to get different notifications every single time, so they don't repeat. I'm not going to get into too much detail about this because I don't want to make the video super long. I just want to show you what's possible. And then on the left hand side of the screen right here, you will see a bunch of different buttons. You have layout, which is where you can change the layout of it. For example, the positioning, if you don't want it to be in the bottom left, you can put it in the middle right here if you want to. You can change the animation. If you don't want it to slide, you could fade instead like this. There's also a bunch of different options right here. You also have settings here, so the display duration and other things that you can change. This is also the style section, which is where you can change the colors. So for example, the button right here, if you don't want it to be blue, let me see where it is. I don't know. Oh, there we go. Go to action button. Blue, you can change it to yellow, for example. You get the point. So once you're happy with the way it looks and you've added all the different kind of sales notifications to this widget, simply go ahead and click add to website for free at the bottom left corner here. And it's going to take everything that you've just added into consideration, and it's going to create a brand new widget that is customized for your website. Then it's going to display it right here. I'm not sure why it's not popping up now, but maybe that's because I haven't really added anything custom. So let me just, oh, there we go, it appeared. I think it's something to do with the duration, I don't know, that I haven't set up properly. But yeah, make sure that everything works as it should right here before you do anything else. And by the way, before you get to this page even, it will ask you to log in into the Elfsites platform. So you can either create a standalone account through the platform itself, or you can log in through Google, which is what I've done because it's very quick and easy. So once you're here and you're happy with the way it pops up and you're happy with the way it looks, simply go ahead and click publish in the top right corner of the screen right here. And then this will take you to the plan selection page where we need to select the plan. Now, since this is the first widget we're using, we want to go for the free plan right here. However, in the future, if you do decide to use multiple of their widgets because they have so many of them, you will have to opt for one of the premium plans right here. So click on select for now for the free plan. And then this is going to send you this code right here, which is then going to be added to your Wix website. So let's go ahead and do that right now. By the way, you can edit anything to do with the sales notification through the Elfsites platform right here. So if you want to make customized changes to the actual widget, you can do that in real time, and it's automatically going to reflect into your Wix website. So with that said, let's go ahead and add it. The first thing you want to do is go to your Wix editor and then go to the page where you want to add the notification. In my case, I want it on the home page right here. So what you need to do is go ahead and click the search button in the top right corner of the screen right here, and then search for HTML. Then you'll see this embeds button, click on that, and then the new page is going to open up on the left hand side of the screen right here. So underneath popular embeds, click embed HTML and simply paste the code that we just copied previously. Click on update, and in a couple of seconds, the sale notification will be added to your screen. As you can see, this does take some time, so bear that in mind. Then all you have to do is position it wherever you want it to go. As you can see, mine is right here. So I'm just going to pop it there. And then let's go ahead and preview the website and see what the sales notification looks like. Like I said, the duration is messed up on mine because I think I set it to like 7 seconds or something. Not the duration, the time it takes for it to appear. I'm not sure how many seconds it was, maybe even 10 actually, because it's taken a while. But yeah, as you can see, there we go. It just popped up. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add a sales notification to your Wix website. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.